Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Prizepicks bank transfer not working. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If your bank transfer is not working, then what you need to do is check the why did my withdrawal request fail. So Prizepicks has a 1x playthrough requirement, which means you need to play through all the deposited funds once before withdrawing them. For example, if your initial deposit is $25, then you must play through 25 worth of entries before withdrawing. Entries must be placed using credit funds, not promo funds, in order to count toward your playthrough requirement. So inaccurate bank account information also can cause withdrawal requests to fail as well. So if this happens, most payment methods can only be used to withdraw funds if previously used the same method to deposit funds. Apple Pay and credit card be used for deposit. Only one withdrawal request is permitted during a 24 time frame. So keep these things in mind, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.